live. Woohoo! Say woohoo.
Yay.
No, that was not. Okay, say woohoo. That was not a woohoo, Striker.
Woohoo.
Okay, woohoo. So we are cooking, and the ingredients today are white bread, cheese, and they could use any of this. Ranch, pepperoni, marinara sauce, salami, fun and magic. We have two 7th grade teams. We have the winning team from Mrs. Lamb.
Hi, Noah.
Striker was absent last week. We have Zayden's winning team, but we have no Zayden, so we have fake Zayden filling in. The other Zayden has been pestering me for weeks to record, and look at, he's absent today. What happens when you miss school?
Evil Larry comes by.
What happens when you miss school?
Evil Larry comes by.
When you miss school, you miss out. That's the cliche. Okay, let's get cooking. Go. Let's go. Come on, I'll discuss it. Okay, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Striker's already off to a quick start. Yes, fan the cook. Fan the cook. Okay, I like it. Oh, he's gonna. What are you doing there, Striker? Oh, he's cutting off the crust.
No one likes the crust.
Okay, no one likes the crust. It's true. Okay, butter's going on that bad boy. Okay, okay. I know the butter is cold. Oh, rookies! Do not put it into the electrical socket.
It's not spraying. It's not spraying. Alright, just put some mozzarella sauce. Ready?
Do you know it works good to get a nice crisp buttery surface? The Pam cooking spray. Striker, wait, Striker, wait. Did you smush it? Oh, okay, he's pre-smashed. Okay.
Wait,
What? You realize people are eating off those plates. Do you think I made him money? Put the extra plates down. Okay.
Just spread them out.
Okay.
Yeah, get that one, put it right here. Yeah, put it right
Everybody loves salami. You know who else is absent today? Miss Quintana. You know who really likes salami sandwiches? Miss Quintana. Again, you miss school, you miss out. Miss Quintana, always lecturing us about being here on time, and here you are, missing out on salami.
Idaho.
Just go to, how do you know, Striker? Are you a personal assistant?
No, I was in her office yesterday.
So you're eavesdropping. You're a spy.
I am. Grab it.
Okay. You realize your judges are Miss Jocelyn and Miss Thackerberry. Okay. 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 Oh, I should have gotten some tissues. I apologize.
I already did that.
Okay.
Cut the crystal. I gotta do that after. No.
But just listen to the cook. He looks like he's taking charge. Okay. And we have one ready to cook. Striker, you're falling behind.
Close it.
It's okay. Okay. Boys, you're going to get disqualified for being
He's doing that.
annoying. Okay, and we're going to pause here.
I think it's good.
Oh no, we're gonna lose.
I think it's good.
Yes, you don't know who you're going against.
That was like 10 seconds.
Alright, take it out.
That's perfect. She would love it like that.
Oh my god.
Raw cheese. She likes it.
Yeah, raw cheese. Oh, yeah, soft.
Yeah, raw cheese.
She like
What are you talking about?
Okay.
It's ready.
A lot of pressure for the new team.
Not yet. Listen to strike this.
Sizzle.
Close them more down.
she likes it soft. I'm trying to help y'all. That's good.
That's good. She likes it soft.
And cut the crust off. Sabotage. Nah, it's good. Bro, stop rubbing shit on me, man. Hey.
Language. This is a G-rated show.
That's like G-rated. That's perfect. She don't like it like that.
She likes it like that.
Open it. Let's see inside. Don't open it.
Miss Lamb
Oh, it's perfect.
No, look, it's gooey.
created a monster.
Yeah, she's gonna
It's gooey.
cut it off. I know that.
It's the cheese ball. Bro.
That looks so bad.
We gotta let it bake at this point, Striker. There's no choice. Let it bake.
Should we just call it evil?
I don't even know it. I feel sorry for Miss Thackerberry and Miss Jocelyn
Use the
today
sausages
because
as the buns.
8th graders, where are you at? I'm missing your expertise here.
Picked out every single one.
A slice of bread is not saving that.
Raw cook.
8th graders, do you see
I
a
need to
problem with these entries?
Take it out like this.
No, it looks so good.
Take it out.
What do you mean it looks so good?
Yours is raw, dude.
No, it's good.
It looks like something from like
Medium rare.
Yeah, it's medium rare.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
It looks like a nah, ours is like a taco.
Okay. Right here.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay. You can't take any more
Oh,
bread.
she hates ranch.
Oh yeah, you gotta open it up. Take
She hates
it. Okay.
She hates ranch. It's fine. It's fine.
She hates it.
She hates it.
Bro, you guys need your
All the
first one.
time.
There.
You said she hates ranch.
Yes, you guys. Do you guys want your first one or no?
Can't open it.
Yeah, I bet you would.
Okay, I'm gonna say this one more time. Listen. Thank you for using your intelligence. Okay. Whew. And we continue.
Good.
Okay. All I'm going to say is right now, I worry for Miss Thackerberry, Miss Jocelyn. I worry that we went with 2 7th grade teams here, and we have product number 1, and we have product number 2. Okay, let's go get official judge feedback. Miss Jocelyn, I'm just going to let you know it's 2 7th grade teams this time. Yes. Put on your pretend happy face. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be scary. I'm gonna let you know right now. Here's your forks.
Why is there 4 forks?
Well, in case you wanted to use a separate fork for your second end, I don't know. Okay, yeah. There we go.
Ranch there.
Stryker told the other team that you don't like ranch.
Or you don't like it crispy.
Yes, I'll eat that.
Did you guys believe Stryker?
Yeah.
They actually did. They listened to him.
Did you put theirs already on there?
They already put it there. A
That
lot of
was-
pepperoni.
Yeah, there's some massive and
It's
salami.
yeah.
Oh Lord.
You said you wanted something savory.
Oh, we did say that.
Okay.
Hold on.
Is it hot?
Very. We just came.
You're
So are you
fine.
trying to burn my?
No.
Striker, you trying to kill us?
No.
Oh, now we're making them out.
Did you spill it on the floor? It's fine. I told Stryker he had to hold it with 2 hands and not drop it on the floor. I didn't want to get yelled at.
It's too doughy.
Okay, too doughy.
Watch theirs then.
Watch, there's it. This is what we do. This is how we are. This is how we are.
If ours is done.
Okay.
Yours is done. Ours
Okay.
is perfect. Yours is
But Miss Thackerberry, that's not a look of yum. Okay, try this one.
Striker, you've been on a roll, my friend.
You should have seen that thing roll off the waffle maker. And they tried to call it a taco.
Thanks.
Okay,
Sorry, let me
Okay.
clean up my mess a little
it's fine.
bit.
It's fine.
I mean, it wasn't as bad as that sweet one. That one.
Okay,
time. I was
okay,
dying
okay.
still
Here's
afterwards.
this one. Okay.
It's gonna be terrible.
Striker,
No,
Crazy, crazy,
Where did you
crazy.
I'm about to go for mine.
You should just tear it. You should just tear it. Yeah, use your fingers. Get in there with your
Hold the
hands.
plate with 2 hands.
Yeah,
He
good
didn't
boy.
wash his hands.
Yeah,
though.
Landon.
Yeah. It might have that.
Negative points. Negative points.
He took lead on this team, I'm going to say.
Good job,
well,
Landon.
they didn't know.
And
We
It's
lost.
not, it lost the cutting challenge. We're not allowed real knives, Miss Thackerberry.
Pick it up.
Get the scissors.
Are you guys
Just take a bite. Miss Jocelyn, dig in with your fingers and just rip it apart. Rip it apart.
Oh, it's because it's all done.
Get savage.
ta-da!
That is not cooked.
It's not fish raw.
It's the salami that's not allowing for us to
Yeah, it's.
I told the kids you miss school, you miss out. Who loves salami sandwiches?
It's me.
Miss Quintana, and she's not here today.
She loves salami sandwiches. She's not here
they
today,
barely
and she
touched
won't
the
be here
ranch.
tomorrow either. Go and cut yourself a piece.
Don't stab anybody, Miss Jocelyn.
Yeah, that's my only good knife. I need it every once in a while.
All right.
Okay,
Negative.
okay,
I don't want ranch this time.
I'm gonna have
Okay.
ranch.
okay. What do we think? Mmm. Mmm.
So, Miss, what do you think about it?
Do you miss our eighth graders who had experts at cooking? They were okay.
Well, yeah.
Oh, Miss Thackerberry, that face.
Wait.
Negative?
Negative.
It tastes like a hot pocket, not fully cooked.
Yeah, like
You want to know why it's not fully cooked? This guy kept saying Miss Thackerberry likes it soft, and that didn't listen to them.
You said it was good. You said it was good.
You took a bite.
No.
But who's better out of the 2 worst?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, we have 6th grade teams next week. Just prepare yourself.
This is eatable.
They need a little bit more
They
cooked.
both need to be cooked.
Okay.
However, if we take out the
You have to
non-cooking,
pick one. You have to pick one.
I would go with this one.
Upset!
Wait, we gotta tell you why.
Okay.
I would go with because that one does. I think has a better flavor.
And
to
it looks.
It's cheese and ham. That's all.
Listen.
Add butter.
If you leave it in the waffle maker for a little bit, the extra crispiness will give it a good taste.
Okay. Okay, there we go.
Sorry,
Okay.
Striker.
Okay.
We love you,
Okay.
Striker. You've been
Okay.
on a roll.
Sabotage didn't work. Okay.
Not today, my
Not
friend.
today. Eighth
So
graders.
next week is my
Next grade, sixth graders. Okay. Okay.
Sixth graders better be bringing it.
That's right. Not like this. Okay.
Not like
Back.
this.
Okay.